Welcome to day 28 of the Momentum Blueprint. Today, we're talking about something that often gets overlooked in online business and digital marketing, but quietly determines who succeeds and who burns out. And that is the power of community and mentorship. Most people enter the online space focused on tools, strategy, content, or platforms, but very few people stop to ask a more important question, which is, who am I doing this with and who is guiding me? Humans are wired for connection, and business growth is no different. When people struggle or quit, it's rarely because the opportunity didn't work. It's because they felt alone, confused, unsupported, or unsure if they were doing things right. Community removes isolation. Mentorship removes uncertainty. Together, they shorten the learning curve dramatically. Let's start with community. A real community is not just a group of people in the same space. It's an environment where learning, encouragement, accountability, and momentum naturally happen. When you're surrounded by others who are working towards similar goals, something powerful shifts. You realize you're not the only one asking questions. You're not the only one struggling with confidence. You're not the only one figuring things out as you go. That alone reduces pressure and self doubt. Community also normalizes progress. When you see others learning, testing, adjusting, and improving, it reframes your own journey. Instead of thinking, why isn't this working yet? You start thinking, this is part of the process. That mindset shift keeps people moving forward instead of giving up too early. Now let's talk about mentorship. Mentorship is not about having someone do the work for you. It's about having access to guidance, perspective, and experience so you don't stay stuck longer than necessary. A mentor helps you avoid common mistakes, spot blind spots, and make decisions with more clarity. One of the biggest reasons beginners struggle is not lack of effort, but lack of direction. They don't know if they're on the right path, if something is normal, or if they should pivot. Mentorship answers those questions faster. It gives you confidence to keep going because someone with experience has already walked the path and can help you navigate it. When community and mentorship come together, growth accelerates. You learn faster because you're not learning in isolation. You stay consistent because others are moving forward with you. You build confidence because you're supported and not guessing. This is true across every industry. Athletes have coaches, musicians have mentors, entrepreneurs have masterminds. No one builds something meaningful completely alone, even if the work itself is independent. Now, here's something important to understand. Community and mentorship are not just for beginners. They become more valuable as you grow. At higher levels, they help you refine decisions, expand perspective, and prevent stagnation. Even experienced creators and business owners rely on trusted environments where they can think clearly, test ideas, and get feedback. Another key benefit is accountability. When you're part of a community, your goals feel more real because they're spoken, shared, and supported. You're more likely to follow through when you know others are doing the same work. This isn't pressure, it's momentum. It's the difference between trying to stay motivated alone versus being carried forward by shared energy. From a content and business perspective, community also creates clarity. When you listen to others' questions, struggles, and wins, you understand your audience better. You learn what people need help with. You see patterns. That insight makes your messaging stronger, your content more relevant, and your confidence more grounded. So, how do you talk about community and mentorship without sounding salesy or exaggerated? You talk about experience, not hype. You talk about support, not promises. You talk about how learning alongside others helped you stay consistent, understand concepts faster, or feel less alone. You don't need dramatic claims, you just need honesty. People don't want perfection, they want reassurance that they won't be isolated while learning something new. Today's takeaway is simple. Skills matter, strategy matters, but support determines sustainability. Community keeps you moving. Mentorship keeps you aligned. Together, they turn uncertainty into momentum. As you continue building your business or brand, ask yourself this question honestly. Am I trying to figure out everything alone, or am I building within an environment that supports growth? The answer to that question often determines how far and how fast you'll go.